We're in the section of tips and tricks, and today we're going to be talking about picture hanging or wall decor hanging or anything like that. So stick around and let's see what our tip is about. So as I mentioned, today we will be going over some a tip. Well, actually, it's like more like a tip and a trick of picture hanging, wall decor hanging. In this case, we'll demonstrate on a project that we just made for a customer. It's like a bone shelf, and you can see it here. So we made our pocket screws with our router. It's a pocket screw jig or bit actually. We made the pocket screws, and now it's time to go to mount on the wall. This is our wall, but you know, we're trying to teach you guys how to the easy way to mount this any type of picture frame or a wall art onto your wall without having to buy that expensive tool that is for picture frames. So first things first, the materials that we're going to be using are going to be painter's tape, a level, a drill if you have access to a drill. You can get that with a Phillips screwdriver. If you're screwing onto drywall, you're gonna need some anchors, which are these. You can find them at Walmart or Lowe's or Home Depot, whichever is closer to you. Even local hardware store has them. We're gonna need the screws. I'm gonna be drilling onto plywood, so I really don't need these anchors, but you need them, use them. If you don't have a power drill, a normal Phillips will be it. So let's get started. Okay, first thing we have to do is we have to grab our painter's tape. We take out or peel off enough so that it covers the holes. Like so. Now we're going to see where we want the screw to end up. In this case, since the hole of the pocket is down here, we actually want the screw to end up here. So we're going to, with our pencil, do a hole where we want our screw to end up, like so. The next step is to take off the tape, come to your wall that you're going to be placing your decor. We're going to grab our level and place this like level to where you think you're going to want your project. Now we're going to see the holes, and that's where we're going to put our screws on. test fit. And there you go. We have it done. See how simple that was? And it sits nice and flush to the wall. And that's how you mount a picture frame, a home decor, whatever it is that you guys want to hang and that you're unable to see the back. And this is the best way that I know how to do. So there you have it, another tip and trick that I know. I hope you guys liked the video. Leave me comments. What do you guys think of like the actual process?